tip out right here, just 14 feet wide and holds the sofa. Back here we've got the queen size Murphy bed. The TV stays bolted. When it comes down, you can't watch TV while you're in bed. That's the only disadvantage. Okay. So we've got a farm sink here. Pantry here. 5-burner propane stove, gas stove, and then a full-size refrigerator, freezer, the pull-out spice rack, pantry, more storage over here. Back here, we're going to just show them the shower. It's nice and cool here. So we've got a closet and a washer dryer. And then up here. So this is also a slide out and it holds a queen size Murphy bed. Not Murphy bed, queen size bed. It's kind of a Murphy bed, but it folds up and has storage underneath. So that's the tour. Thanks for watching and come and join us.